Welcome to Enovin Foods. Today we are making Laccha egg paratha, crispy flaky layers filled with spicy egg and veggie stuffing. Perfect for breakfast, brunch or a filling meal. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon ghee and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Mix well. Laccha paratha is known for its flaky layer texture. Then add 100 ml warm milk. And knead into a soft dough. This dish is popular as a grab and go meal. Rub some oil on the dough and keep it aside to rest. Resting the dough helps create soft layers. For the stuffing, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 cloves garlic, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoon onion. Cook for 1 minute. Add 1/4 cup cabbage, 3 tablespoon capsicum, 3 tablespoon carrot. Add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder. Now add 2 boiled eggs cut into pieces. Eggs are commonly added to street-style parathas for extra protein. Cook for 1 minute and keep aside. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add half teaspoon salt and beat well. Take a portion of dough. Roll it out. Spread oil. Fold as shown. And roll again to create layers. Folding and rolling traps air, making parathas crisp. Fry the paratha on medium heat with oil, flipping until both sides are crisp. Use medium heat to avoid burning the eggs. Add a little oil to the pan. Pour the beaten egg mixture. Place the paratha on top. Now remove from the heat. Add the egg veggie stuffing. Don't overfill to keep rolling easy. And roll the paratha tightly. Secure with a toothpick. And toss lightly on the pan. Light tossing helps seal the roll. Eggs provide high quality protein. Homemade parathas use control oil. Vegetables add fiber and nutrients. Balanced portion make it a satisfying meal. Your Laccha egg paratha is crispy, spicy, and perfectly layered. Serve it hot with sauce or chutney. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovent Foods for more easy street style recipes.